I remember the moment when they told me that I needed a hip replacement, and I thought my life would be over. But it was just the opposite, because the hip replacement gave me my life back. I was so miserable, and my life was so over at that point. I couldn't walk. I couldn't, I didn't have any other place to go. I didn't have any reservations. I felt like I had nothing to lose, really. What I loved about Baptist Orthopaedic Hospital was they were kind and compassionate, but they weren't indulgent. In other words, they told me I needed to get up and I needed to walk and I needed to take a shower when I thought, you are crazy. This was impossible. I couldn't do it. But they gave me strength and they gave me faith.
You see the big Baptist Orthopaedic Hospital sign and you know you've arrived. Baptist Orthopaedic Hospital, it's the Mecca in Baptist for orthopedic care. It's part of North Central Baptist, but it really is its own facility because everything revolves around orthopedics.
There are certain people in the world that are brave and creative. I call them yes people, and Dr. Bryan Kaiser is definitely one of them. And when he said yes to a double hip replacement, I was overjoyed and I had hope. Dr. Bryan Kaiser is like a godsend to me.
I feel like God gave us the opportunity to do these procedures and to give us the knowledge and the know-how to do them. And so it's certainly not something that we do as surgeons. It's interesting. I can't heal a wound on my own, and I've never been able to get a fracture to heal. So you got to wrap the God thing into this, that it was certainly a God thing that she was able to accomplish what she did. Hip replacement has changed a lot over the last 10 years or so. We are using approaches now that spare the muscle groups that allow the hip to move. So the recovery is very rapid. Most of our patients are on a walker for maybe a week or so, switching to a cane if they need it.
3 months after my hip replacement surgery, I went skiing. And 6 months after my hip replacement, I race walked a full marathon for charity. And 10 months after my hip replacement, I did my first barrel race. So it's given me my life back in ways I can't even imagine.